This video is brought to you from one agency far north. Welcome to the waterfront village of Hihi, one of the far north's delightful beach locations, where you can stroll along the local park walkway to the picturesque safe swimming beach with its own boat ramp and awesome fishing, and renowned for the breathtaking views across Doubtless Bay. Hihi means a healing ray of sunshine, as the shoulders of the male Hihi bird would light up in a burst of yellow as it darted through the trees. The blue skies, warm summer breeze, and a friendly community is what makes Hihi so special. At number 12 on the prestigious Peninsula Parade, you will find this immaculate, single-storied, 100 square metre home. The brand new entertainment deck will be your summer go-to, so perfect for those hot, sizzling summer barbecues and a place to relax and unwind with family and friends. As you enter this 1980s renovated board and batten home, you will appreciate the high ceilings, creating a spacious open-plan kitchen, living and dining area. There is even an extra little nook, ideal for a sofa bed. This bright and cheerful home features 3 bedrooms, a bathroom and a laundry area. And for those cooler evenings, there is a freestanding fireplace, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. 2 carports, workshop, garden shed and 2 water tanks and a little stream along the boundary. 12 Peninsula Parade, the perfect holiday home, retirement home or investment property on the shores of beautiful Doubtless Bay. Hihi Village and Beachfront, a boat lover's ideal location, and just a short 10-minute drive to the local restaurants and shops in the historic Monganui village. To view, contact me, Leonie, one agency, far north.